In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted messages here on Facebook Messenger in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messenger app. And it may look a little bit different depending on how many DMs you have, but the steps are the exact same. Essentially, open up any conversation you want, and whether the messages are deleted because you deleted them or the other person deleted them, they're essentially just not going to appear here anymore. Essentially, back out of this section and find the menu button down in the bottom right. From here, go ahead and tap on settings up in the very top to open up your settings. And scroll down, and what you're looking for on here is an option for this account center section. Go ahead and select see more in account center. And then find this tab that says your informations and permissions and open it up. It's going to take you to a section that looks like this. Go ahead and select export your information, and it's going to take you to a tab that looks like this where you're going to want to select create export. Select your profile, which in this case is my Instagram profile, and then select export to device. And just what you're going to want to do here is just double check two things. Make sure that your notify section has your correct email on here, and then for this customize all information section, you're going to want to make sure that it does have this messages section down towards the very bottom turned on. It's usually good just to leave everything checked just like so. From here, back out of this section and just go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and select start export, and it's going to send you an zip file, HTML file, or a text file through your email. Download it through there, and now you'll be able to see all of the deleted Messenger messages. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.